Yeah, may drop the initial list of internship scheme and appear invest highest securities. The firm in the distributor of the FPI investment highest in five quarters aim to draw the initial list of internship schemes in UP. The MP UP partner developed a 8 gigawatt solar power and certain material timeline of chip production. Goldman Morgan Stanley helped to spice at 10,000 crores. Unemployment rate stays 3.2% in financial year 23-24 and PLFS as event center has to borrowing can stay in the budget state. Vodafone India, PTA is government to settle the AGR, annual general India IGR issue, adjusted gross revenue issue. Liquid plus fixed deposit, smart way to manage your short-term funds, experience new era of short-term deposit, 10 years, minimum 7 days to maximum 100 days. Change charges, no exit load, redemption take plus zero, return high and guaranteed, partial withdrawal available, overdraft ratio facility instant. Owning assured return of 6.75% experience in your short-term fees with Java Small Finance Bank. Terms and conditions rate subject to change in time to time without prior notice. Without prior notice. No interest shall be paid when premature withdrawal of deposit takes place before the completion of minimum period. So BCC's the bag works of aims in Dharpata, Bihar, worth 1291. Secure API development deals with the European market, Bajaj Healthcare. Mankind Pharma board approves fundraise of 10,000 crores in NCB. SP secures construction orders worth 555 crores and JSW Infrastructure takes delivery of T Ranger to support expansion plans. Mighty timeline for chip production in the world. The FPA games show Microns and data groups application unit and games technology CGS groups. Samsung sends showcase notice to workers who strike entered for day 15 unrest may hit India's production. Harappan India redirects government to settle AGR issues and made Bharati semi startup behind Indo-US partnership. So the collaboration was a watershed moments and marked the first ever transfer which closely came to technology. Kolkata Power Centers key to our Jan Play Global founders. Xiaomi urges CCI to recall their reports involving Flipkart. Foxconn, Stellantis, JB setups R&D for auto chip designs. Indian real estate market may hit 10 trillion by 2047. The future when telecom believes government has enough mechanism to solve AGM play challenge. Existing dues to vendors almost clear, no more conversion into equity. Orders of 5G cores and fiber has been placed later from the rest of the code scams. Eyeing to 2 lakhs to convert the sites for planning 4G coverage up to 7 lakhs. Medical gear makers up to arms against zero duty imports again under EU FTA import dynamics countries where India import medical devices US the ESM this year 12,000 crores, China 11,596 crores, Germany 7,490 crores, Singapore 6,097 crores, Netherlands 287 crores. India medical device importers consumables 49 so 7430, disposables 4090, electronics again 44,132. Implants 5087, IVD, again 6477 crores. Pharmaceutical opposing import of medical devices zero duty. Okay. A QCOM Kirana store tangible under the missionary scanners. The Kirana store sales down to 23% compared to pre-COVID period. If QCOM continues to grow in non-metros, 20-25% of million kitchen outlets may shut down. The share of QCOM FMGC is in 3.1. Ministry of Consumer Affairs forgets that given Kirana Association Bishop for the examination issue, balance between consumer satisfaction between stakeholder standards. RP, R Papa to issue 1525 crores through preferential issues. Price hike boosts margin of path revenues. My TVS forays into EV mobility services markets to tap quick commercial growth. Internship schemes firm may not have direct access to candidates. FBI steps on the gas in September quarter. No way victim shaming was done. The Sitaram row of EY remarked report of EY staff at death in 10 days. Ministry Manushuk Mandavika on Monday said that investigations are undergoing early unsafe and exploitative work environment that is said that they cause EY staffer Anna Sabistan a peculiar death on this report expected 10 days. Jobless rate stagnates at 3.2% July. GOM to review the tax rates for 100 products. As Semicon sales identifies at the sector levels, fresh formal hires 2.5%, fresh PM declines 49% in sectors level. India's biggest oil and gas bids rounds 4 bidders. ONGC oil private sectors are Vedanta Limited most block 2 bids and Directors of Gentle Hydrocon DGC and OELC I bid around 28 blocks in years. But Goyal seeks investment from Australian pension funds. Rayu's hero gets interim bail over coaching center death. Credit card delinquents after real credit growth case. Credit card balance of delinquents year unpaid. 17 percentage of loan against property minus 59% two-wheeler finance minus 51 percentage personal consumer loan minus 36 percentage personal loan minus 2% home loan minus 32% auto loan 7%. Credit loss of MFIs may go up to 53% financially. Tax rates under products and GMI can compensation schemes and rates significant real estate sector adjusted for clear possibilities. Week later than usual, monsoon begins retreats. So East and Northeast India, departures actual is minus 17. So Northwest is 5 departure 5%, Central, South, Peninsula all over 5%. A happy showing Paddy normal area and 41 increase. Pulses has decreases, scroll has increases, oilseed has increased, sugarcane has increased. Jute has increased, jute and sugarcane, cotton has decreased, what was total, and jute has three sugarcane has increased, oilseed. Modi call upon a takeoff with this. From where did they get this? So, Modi call upon top tech CEOs to part of India's growth story. Hedge to borrowing is hedge to borrowings by the center set up stay on budget track. Okay. Hedge to borrowing is center set to stay on budget track. may borrow around 6.3 trillion during this period. Senior home in the PM technology, Google Picture, the semiconductor, Lisa Shu, pharma biotech, Krish Vijay, and Bristol Choice, software Adobe, Shantanu Narayanan, professional services, Accenture, Julie Street, intellectual Martin Scottry, and Hans. Deposit pricing and loans may be key tasks for new federal bank CEO, and CEO are likely to be first class. Eyeing entries in affordable housing loan, PNB fixes door, flexes floor, prices 1.09 per square for 7,500 crores QIP. Qualified institutional placement. All wanting child bond as offensive. Set aside Madras High Court. The Supreme Court in India has more possession of any child pornographic and the protection, children sexual protection. The information technology law, even they are not disseminating further. Of sexual exploitation, children's privacy and deeply rooted issues like in society widespread has been erroneous victims. So Supreme Court the old man charge downloading pornographic content involving children in mobile phone. Think this possession and downloading such pornographic material did not constitute offense under the POSCO Act, IT Act, by passing a slew direction and suggestion on a sensitive issue. The bench comprising Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrasekhar and G. Online and child pornography, the sexual content exploitation, abuse material, the new affect more key to reality of many Netflix also know to notice that the child pornography are not being used instead of child sexual exploitation and abuse. This area strikes of 274 in Ignore Resident received a call and listed himself from Hezbollah. An Israeli said just a strike more than 800 military targets. European Union plans 35 billion in loan for Russia naive to nuclear testing as long as Iran. From China to Pilo loses more than 20 billion in imports. Gulf courts attack accused wanted to kill Trim. Simon to Caro EU charging unit for both. Massive access to elements like IMF is a fix. Ayala mentioned from Nassim Malik name ISH. Apollo offers to infuse a type of 5 billion into Intel. India called Myanmar rebel boxing war. In June, IB team set up Sam Altman on a secret AI device project. India crosses China. ASF done. NFRA 6 years operation. Always hero Michael developers limited. Developing Western division Marie 15 million daily setups. I did a retail quite a lot of money in FMO in previous say. So making individual investor has a 91% of total there was one key measures aiming to curb the retail participants and ability to work derivative market averaging daily turnover surged to record 540 trillion in September compared to the 16 market participants raised concern overseas algo trading tracking profit from the Indian market. 73% of individual traders declared income tax less than 5 lakhs and nearby 3/4 of traders were beyond top sophistication. Mobbing gets SEBI not for 700%. Higher than million credits. Messi declines relief to Linde India. Markets hit fresh highs on Optimum after Fed rate cut airlines home finance CB imposes 1 crore fine. and more Ambani flight passes. TNPC Green Energy 10% crores IPO like it in November first week. Namda Finance subscriber 23.66 in first time. First time. New launches improves cash flow and positive for top relatives. OSL device limited. Pfizer investing the controls via quick on for money buyout cover on IP value basis of 4.2 investment. Point to read the plan. Our social population is job in talking with center of BPG payment, MPG payments, into more qualified for payments. And then, of course, first is of import streams which health security for the other costs. And don't promise to watching recent trade resource prices. European exports in January, the dollars is increasing much same. The Houthi missile strikes in the conflicts of the comparative of the Indian people promoting out of the solution like hiring Ramzan goes to war and promise to after time. So the current price offer for the car 20,000 rupees. Some is 24 for 30,000. Some making automatic and Samsung buyer for example from Samsung and the rest of the forms in the best of Tirupati letters. So the kid on the kid of the GoPro entry level hero camera launched in India. Price 23,000. The camera's smallest camera on screen fine and celebrity ratio high safety and finals. Love but ladies in India simply for us.